Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I want to show you some incredible food factory process.
You can support by liking the video.
First, let's see how pizza is made by automatic machine. After making dough, a machine cuts small pieces from the dough. Then a machine sprinkled the sauce and spread on top.
Now the pizza is going through the oven for half baking.
Many processes are done by automatic machines. Then a machine adds cheese and other ingredients. After all the ingredients are added, the pizza goes into the frozen process. Now let's see the process of making Lay's potato chips. All the potatoes came directly from the field. Some potatoes are stored, and some are shipped for processing the chips. First, the potatoes are going through the washing process. After washing, potatoes are sent to a peeling machine. Now, the potatoes are ready for cutting. Then, a cutting machine cuts the potatoes in half for the size of a good chip. Then the potato goes into the slicer machine. After slicing all the potatoes, wash them again.
The potatoes are then sent to fry. All processes are done by automated machine system. The chips are sent to add spices by the conveyor system. Now the potato chips are almost ready for packaging.
Now chips is ready to make millions of customers happy. Now let's see the process of making Smarties.
After mixing all colors of Smarties, it goes through the packaging process.
Now, it will send to the market for the customers.
This is the process of making Today Nuts chocolate.
This machine mixes nuts and chocolate. The chocolate is deposited into molds.
The molds are vibrated to remove air bubbles.
Now the chocolate ready for packaging.
Today, chocolate is packaged in 3 ways. The chocolate bars are packed into boxes. The process of making these chips is much the same as the process of making Lay's. First, the potatoes are going through the washing process.
You can like and subscribe to inspire me.